Hey Jeff, I wanted to show you how to add, it's called Collaborate. It's very much like Zoom, but it's a synchronous class part in your classroom. So I'm in your class, you can see that. Let's go down to week 2. And week 2, that Monday is the 28th. So it's not hard at all. You would go in and add a learning activity. It's called Collaborate. And then you would set up a time. I'm going to call this week 2 live session. Call it whatever you want. And then you're going to, down here, you're going to say that it's on the 28th of October, and it begins at 1800, which I'm pretty sure is 6 o'clock in normal time. You hit save and return to course, and that is it. You will see now that it is at the bottom of your page. I always move it to the top just so that they see it. But you see, Monday, October 28th, 6 to 7. You would move it up to the top so everybody can see it. Oh, no. Move here. There we go. Week 2 live session, Monday, October 28th, 6 to 7 p.m. Very important to know. There's no way you can undo this. I'm not undo this, but the link only becomes available 15 minutes before class. No way to extend that. So you might want to make sure your students understand that you can't do anything about the 15 minutes, but it will be active 15 minutes before class. And then once you get into it, which I can't get into it, but you'll see it doesn't go anywhere right now, but there will come up with a button that says record. What I do is I always record it just so that if somebody missed it, they can go back and watch it. That's kind of a really neat tool. So again, it's Collaborate. I'm going to undo this. I'm going to delete it. Delete. There you go. It's no longer there. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Pretty simple. Create a learning activity, collaborate. Just put your times in. Good to go. Just remember, it's only active 15 minutes before the time. I hope that helps.